जितनी बड़ी संख्या में आप देखें, बीच के किनारे हो, गांव के किनारे हो, शहर में हो, लोग कचरा फेंकते हैं या उसमें अधिकांश प्लास्टिक के सामान होते हैं, प्लास्टिक बोतल्स होते हैं, प्लास्टिक गिलास होते हैं। ये जितनी बड़ी संख्या में है, इसका कहीं उपयोग नहीं हो पाता है। इसका यदि हम उपयोग करें रिसाइकलिंग के माध्यम से, तो जैसा कि हमने कहा कि लोगों को रोजगार भी मिलेगा, प्रदूषण भी खत्म होगा और एक स्वच्छता का जो हमारा अभियान है वो सफल होगा।
छत्तीसगढ़ में जो सबसे बड़ी भूमिका है वो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप का है। हमने व्यक्तिगत नहीं सामाजिक स्वच्छता पे जोर दिया है और समाज की बहुत बड़ी भागीदारी। आप आश्चर्य करेंगे, दूरस्थ अंचल के धमतरी के कुंवर भाई 108 साल की, उसने शौचालय निर्माण के लिए अपनी बकरी बेच दी।
We have got 36 railway stations to be painted with art of 5,000 artists. So this is unbelievable, incredible contribution coming out of people's movement.
We should create on the beach side high quality toilets for not only foreigners and also our people who are coming within the country to see Puducherry. They should have a high quality toilet so that they will carry the message to their state.
As we discussed earlier, I'm already taking that idea forward, because in India, Araya, the word has a greater message and a powerful meaning. So keeping that in mind, this Swachhata movement, we are trying to take it forward, and then that marketing also is very much necessary. I do agree with you. And then you need people to propagate it. That's why I'm very happy that the Amitabh Bachchan ji has agreed to be brand ambassador for this campaign, that too on voluntary basis, and NDTV also doing it not for commercial but for voluntary basis. It's a great thing that is happening. Today is Mahatma Gandhi's Jayanti, because Gandhiji said sanitation is more important than political freedom, and he said cleanliness is next to godliness. The message, if it is conveyed through various icons from various sectors, that will go powerfully to the people. That's where I am very happy with Amitabh ji doing their campaign.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Venkaiah ji, I mean, of course, you're one of the nodal ministers for taking this entire, campaign forward. So, some of the specific ideas that we are looking at are the cleaning up of these 10 iconic locations. What needs to be done for that? That's really important. But from an urban development point of view, and from the point of view of the various, cities that we have, how can we get public toilets of an acceptable standard so that everyone knows this is a toilet that we can go and use? It will be kept at a certain level of cleanliness. It'll be great. It'll be a great benefit from all citizens. It'll also be something which foreign tourists can actually, feel that we are coming to India. We don't have to worry about not being able to use public facilities somewhere.
You are seeing now the experiment of Sulabha Shauchalaya. They are doing a great job. Similarly, if corporates, if other well-meaning NGOs, they adopt these public toilets in their respective areas and take the responsibility of maintaining, that will really improve the situation. Because simply leaving it to the urban local body or panchayat local body or even the tourism ministry or the officials at the down level will not suffice. You need somebody else, a third party. So that's why I appeal to corporate sector. I also appeal to various NGOs also to come forward and take care of. Once I can construct, I can create the infrastructure. Maintenance is a big problem.
हमें अगर प्रदूषण के खिलाफ लड़ाई जीतनी है, हमें अगर टूरिज्म बढ़ाना है, हमें अगर स्वास्थ्य ठीक करना है, तो उसकी एक ही चाबी है स्वच्छता।